Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. Nothing says summer like fireworks. So we're going to do some red, white, and blue firework nails. And it does get a little messy, but it's not too bad. You can clean that up easily. Alright, so what you'll need for this is a white. I got my Broadway white here. And then I have gone with a Studio M red because it was on clearance for 29 cents. And I have a Sinful Color blue because I like that shade. And then also going to need, where'd it go? Here it is. A quilting pen, I guess is what you call it, a quilting needle, straight pen, whatever you call it. Make sure it has a bally end because I'm going to use both ends of this. If you don't want to use this, you could also use a toothpick and a dotting tool or a bobby pin. But this way I only am using one tool. And you'll also need a napkin or paper towel to clean off your pen in between uses. And that is it, except for a nice top coat. I got my NYC. All right, so let's get started. So for this, I have started off by doing a white base, and it's all dry now. So what you're gonna do next is I'm gonna open up my Broadway white. I actually need another coat on for this. I'm also gonna get some red and blue out. I'm going to open those bottles. Alright, now they're all nice and open. I'm going to start by painting on another coat of the Broadway white. There we go. Now I am going to get some red polish and put it on my handy dandy silicone mat. Drop a little drop on. And then I am going to take my needle and I'm going to take the dotted end and I'm going to dip that into the polish and then dot that onto my nail. I'm doing the lower end first. Okay. Before I do anything else, I'm going to take and clean that off on my napkin so that I don't make a mess. Well, as much of a mess anyways. Now I'm going to take the pointed end and I am going to go and kind of just flame it out, make sort of a star, and then I'm going to come in on it and just make it look like a firework. There we go. Now I'm going to clean off the tip. That's the messy part. Now I'm going to take the round end again and I'm going to dot it in the red one more time. I'm just going to fill in the middle there so it's not all blotchy. Maybe a little bit more because I didn't have enough on my pen. There you go. Now you got a nice firework. I'm going to wipe off the end again. And we're going to repeat that with blue this time. So we're going to take the round end and dot that in the blue. And we're going to do the top this time. Clean off the edge. And draw our little firework. There we go. I'll make that a little bit more pointy. And we're going to fill it in. And if you feel like you need to fix that again, you can always just go back and repeat it. Until it looks the way you want it. So that's it. That's all there is to making the firework. I'm going to let it dry a little bit more, or else a little smear, and then I'm going to put my top coat on it. So that's how you make a nice, pretty firework for the summer. That's it for this time, and we'll see you next time.